Hi everyone, it's your girl Naturally Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I would love to have you join the channel. So guys, today we're going to be doing a kitchen reset because everything is just everywhere in my kitchen. I'm also going to be using these products here to clean my kitchen. I have the Lysol 3-in-1 power cleaner, which I love, and then I'm also going to be using this lime and calcium remover, which I like for just like a more natural cleaning on like things like my microwave and stuff like that. And of course Clorox for those things that just need a little extra. And I used to hate the smell of Clorox, but now I really don't mind it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by removing all of these things off of my countertops here and just getting it tidied up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And it's me taking a bite of these chips before I put them up. I really love those chips, so I had to get my little snack in. And of course, I need to drink my last sip of water before I throw it away because we're not wasting no water around here. I have a thing for just bottled waters laying around being halfway not drinking. So yeah, that's my thing there. Okay guys, and this is the sink area. I had one of my kids clean the dishes this time because they gotta help mama out around here, but they also left the sink really disgusting. So I am going in to go ahead and give it a nice scrub as what they should have did, because once you clean the dishes out of the sink, you got to clean the sink. That's a part of cleaning dishes, and I'm trying to teach them that, and they're getting the hang of it, but just not remembering all the time. So definitely gonna go ahead and hit it. I use my Lysol cleaning power cleaner, and then I'm just wiping around the sink to be sure I dry up everything and get any things that might have missed or stuck around the sink there. So we're gonna make sure the whole sink is completely clean, and then next just going in to clean my countertops. Again, going in with my all-purpose Lysol cleaner, and I just love the way this smells. And as I always say, if you have something to clean, go ahead and put this video on your TV, your iPad, or whatever, and clean along with me, because I know there's times where I do not feel like cleaning. Specifically this time, I really didn't want to do it, but I knew it had to be done. So this is me getting up, motivating myself to do it, as well as motivating you. If you have something to clean, you don't really feel like doing it, let's do it together, girl, and get it done. Or boy, if you're watching. Next guys, I'm going into my stove area and I'm just cleaning off the countertop part here, and I am looking for a different type of stove cleaner. I feel like just the regular things that I've been using, like hot water and my all-purpose cleaner, it does great for like the actual, you know, wipe down, but as far as like really removing like that grimy crust or whatever gets on your flat top stove, I am really just looking for something that'll give it more of the clean that I'm looking for. So still on the hunt for that. Let me know if you guys know anything. But yeah guys, just wiping this down here, and then I'm gonna go in and also just clean around the side of the countertop where the stove is, as well as my air fryer. I've been using this air fryer like crazy because I have not been using the stove as much. So like I said, I'm looking for something that will really get in there and get it to clean that I want to, because I hate just having to clean the stove so much. But yeah guys, just giving this a nice clean, and then we'll move on to clean the microwave area, and then I'm actually going to use my more natural cleaner there, because we do use food around a lot of this area, so I try not to use a lot of chemical things. Okay guys, so moving on to the other side of my counter, which is right next to my sink area. I'm just cleaning off these appliances here and just getting it tidied up over here. I do have some things that I'm going to leave on the counter over here, such as like my kids' oatmeal, my little smoothie powders where the smoothie blender is, and things like stuff for like my coffee and stuff like that. And by the way, I drink decaf coffee and not caffeinated. I just feel like it does better for me. It's not a thing where I feel like I need coffee to get me going. I drink coffee decaf kind strictly for the antioxidant benefits that it has. So yeah, I'm just getting this together over here, and I do need to actually take my Keurig off the counter at some point because it has stopped working, and just get this station to looking a little bit better, but we'll get to that at a different time. We are much more focused on just getting everything clean right now. And then same thing, going in to clean my fridge off, just giving it a really nice clean as well.
Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding if I had thoughts that control me.
Alrighty guys, moving on to my kitchen table area. I'm going to go ahead and tidy up over here, just giving it a nice wipe down and straightening up the chairs in this area. This area does get used a lot, so I have to come over here a lot and just make sure it is all clean and tidy. And then going in and putting these bar stools up. I really need to get new ones, so I really am going to find some that actually work. Those are old, and I tried to spray paint them and they just are not looking well, but they're cute though, but they're just done for. So, and I'm cleaning off my garbage can here because I have to make sure this area is tidy as well before going in to sweep and mop. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start to sweep first, just to give like my kitchen floor a clean slate. And I think like sweeping and wiping down the counters is my favorite part. I can really just get in and just get it how I want to. And so that's what I'm doing here, just sweeping up everything before I go into mop. Okay guys, so now I'm going into mop. I do not know what happened with this clip here, so it has me mopping in slow motion. So this is me mopping in slow-mo unintentionally, but I am using the Lysol Power all-purpose cleaner for my floors, as well as some really hot water, and this just has your floors feeling and smelling amazing. And it's the best part for me because it has the kitchen just like really smelling amazing as well. But like I said, I'm just going in, just mopping all of my floors, starting with the area of my kitchen table. And again, please excuse the slow-mo because it was unintended, but yeah. And then just going back to the main area of the kitchen and then giving it a nice mop as well. Again, the slow-mo is still going, guys. Do not know what happened with the filming of this part, but this is me pretty much getting done with cleaning the kitchen. The mopping is always the last thing that I do. And as a mommy, I'm always hollering, I have mopped these floors, so do not come in here until it's dry. And you know, if you're a mommy, these kids will track right behind you after something you have cleaned up. So I have got mine clean, and then I'll show you guys the finished result, which is here's what it's looking like basically. And again, my camera is glitching and I don't know what happened, but the kitchen is tidy and clean, guys. So I thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope you got to clean or tidy up anything that you were wanting to, or that you're motivated to go ahead and get that done. So I hope you guys enjoyed these last few clips of my tidied up kitchen, and definitely check out some more videos on the channel. I have tons and tons and tons of videos that relate to this one. So like I said, if you're new here, check out the channel and tune on in. I hope that you will subscribe.